Good day everyone, my name is Brother Shola. So we are going to be doing UX UI design today. We are going to be creating a simple mobile app of 4 pages. So if you are a beginner in UX UI design, feel free to follow because this class is actually for you. So we are going to be using Lunacy. This is Lunacy, this is the app. You can go to install it, just search icon 8 Lunacy on your Google Chrome and you download the setup file and you just install it like every other file. So I'm going to be opening Lunacy. So we are just going to be coming to our file and we are just going to use new local document. Yes, the reason why we are using Lunacy because it's actually free and you can do everything you want to do offline. You can actually achieve a lot offline. This app is mainly for beginners who are just starting up with UX UI design and might not always have access to data and does not have money to pay for the paid version for Figma. You can actually achieve a lot with this app. Anything you can achieve with Figma, you can also achieve that with Lunacy. So let's move straight to the point. We'll move to our frame. We are creating a mobile app and the size we are going to be using is for Android. We're going to be using the size for Android. So the next thing I want to do, I want to give it a radius of, let's say, about 40 or just say 30. Yes, 30 is enough. 30 is okay. So we are just going to change here to home page. The first page is going to be the home page. Just going to say home page. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to put our logo. Now in the description I'm going to add all the resource I used for this app because this is a free. We are actually using this app for free, so we don't have access to all the paid version and icon and all of that. So you can actually create the icon yourself and use it. So every resource I'll be using, I'm going to be dropping it on the description, so you can go ahead and download it and feel free to follow. So the first thing I want to input the logo. I'm just going to input the logo small, then I'm going to write, yes, this app is actually a student app, a student campus app. So the name of the app is we are just going to say Campus Connect. Just going to use Montestrat. We're going to use Montestrat. I'm just going to use regular. Change the font color to black. Change it to black, not too black. I'm just going to increase this font to about, let's say 16. 16 should be enough. I'm just going to move it to the top like so. We can group it together. Just name it logo. So just align. Make sure it's aligned. So it's aligned together. This is kind of too big, so make sure it's aligned together. So we have our logo here. I'll make sure our logo is aligned to the page. So we're just going to move it to the top like this. So I guess this okay. So the next thing we are going to be doing, we're just going to write welcome. That's welcome to Student Connect. The usual thing you see in your home page. Welcome to Campus Connect. We're just going to increase it to about, let's say 34. Should be okay. So medium, yeah, medium should be okay. Medium size should be okay then. Let's move it to. Next thing, we are going to be writing a little bit on that. We're going to say it's going to be small, like it's The next thing, we are going to be adding our image. We're going to be adding the image for the home page. Click here and the home page image you want to use. We are just going to drag it up here. So next thing we want to create button. Yes, the sign up button, the login button. So we are just going to use rectangle. Button should be like this. I'm just going to pick the color from the logo. If you want to pick color, you come to this icon, you click it, and you come here, you select the color you want to use. Get this color, okay. So then just going to give it a radius of about, let's say 10. About 10. 10 should be okay like this. I guess it should be okay. It should be okay. So we are just going to write sign up. I'm just going to make the font bigger to about, let's see, 24. Let's change it to white color. White is better. It's kind of too bold. We'll just use regular white. So we are just going to align it with the rectangle, which is centrally aligned, like this. We're going to group it. We're going to name it sign up. So now we are going to be using a lot of button in this design. So we're going to be using a lot of button. I think let's just reduce this text a little. So we are going to be using a lot of button in this design. So instead of recreating, we'll just make this as a component. So we'll select our button. After selecting it, this icon here, some version of Lunacy, when you right click, you are going to see components. You are going to see group as components, make as components. So this version I'm using, when you select here when you come here, you see create component. You're going to click it. The component has been created already. When you come to your component, this is it. So you can name this, let's say you can name it button. So anytime you want to use button, you can just come and we are just going to change here to white. We're going to change it to white. And we're going to add border. We're just going to add border. I think this border is okay. And we're just going to add shadows. Click on outside. Then the text, we're just going to change it to black. We're going to change the text to black. I guess should be pretty enough. Just trying to make sure I get the right shadow. I guess this should be okay. This okay. So we'll come to our component and see we have button. you can actually name this login sign up. So move this forward a bit. Login this forward a bit because I want to add a little detail. So I'm just going to pick here and duplicate it. Bring it here. Make it smaller. Change the text. Yes. If you already have an account. So I'm just still going to duplicate. To put the login. Color to blue. This color. I'm just going to group these two together. I'll just name it. How I'm going to name it? Let's just say down login. Anything you want to name it. Adjust this. Yeah, I guess we are done with our home page. So the next page we'll be creating is the login page. So to do that, we are just going to duplicate. So let me just arrange this a little. Let's move this to the top. Move our image to the top. Let the sign up all this space. This much better. So now we are going to be creating our login page. So we are just going to duplicate Ctrl D. So make sure we are on our frame. We'll click our frame, Ctrl D, and change here to login page. Change here to log. This is the login page. Change here to login page. So I want to work on this. So we'll not be needing logo. So this we're changing it to login. So then this I'm just going to drag it here. So welcome back. Welcome back. It's kind of too big. I'm just going to use 16 for it. I guess it's okay like this. So we'll not be needing this. I'm just going to delete it. Sorry. We'll not be needing this image, so we are just going to delete. Yeah. So the next thing we'll be needing. So we are going to create a field for the username and password. So we are creating a field. We'll just imagine the user has already typed the username and password already. So come to our box. Let's draw. This should be enough. This should be enough. So move it to the top. Give it a rating of 10. We are going to use white. For it. Then give it a border of, I guess, one is okay. Then the next thing we are going to give it a shadow. Shadow show. So we are going to put this outside. That's the border should be outside, not inside. So I guess this your line is straight. So I'm just going to select the line and the vector, make sure it's aligned. Yeah, against this is okay for our fee. So the next thing we are going to be doing, I'm just going to write the username and the password that's inside already. So I'm just going to copy this, put here. My username is all the email. Pressure Shola at .com. So I just want to make it increase it a little bit to about 18. That's about 18. Password. I think the password is password. I don't want to say password. Reduce the field, make it more darker. I'm just going to duplicate this one. Then come here to write forgotten password. Something like this. Password. I'm just going to make this smaller to about 16. I'll change the color to blue. I'm going to move it to the top. Move it. Yes. It should be okay. Then I'm just going to change this to login. This is the login page. I'm going to change it to login. So the next thing, I'm just going to move this already have an account. I'm going to move it closer to this. This should be enough for the button. Sometimes it's not necessary to put the button, but we are just going to put it there. So we are just going to come here, our image. Let's adjust some things a little. This field, we'll just group everything together. I'm just going to name it field or new field. Move it. Our vector was not selected, which is this, the line. Also, so It should be okay. It should be okay like this. Then I'm just going to use I'm going to bring it down. Then I'm going to use a white box to cover this place here. Cover this place here. Bring it down. Make it white. Yes. This is okay. This should be okay. Like this. Yes. It's okay like this. So the last thing, you are just going to draw a back arrow here. So to move back to your home page, let's draw an alignment line. So, and if you want to do that, you just use our pen tool. Just use our pen tool. So we are just going to draw. I'm just going to draw one straight line. Not that. Like this, then just okay. Hold that so you can bring it back like this. And duplicate. Turn it to the other side. Then join it together. Boom. We have our arrow already. So we're just going to name it back. When you click it to move back, so we're just going to move it to be aligned with the logo. Just move it to be centrally aligned with the logo. Like this, it's okay. This is okay. We are done with our login page. Yeah, our login page is done already. So what I think that let me see. The beginning of this is okay. Yes, is this okay for the login page? Our login page. So the next page should be sign up page. So the sign up page. So we are just going to duplicate. We'll duplicate this one. So we'll just start editing from there. We'll be needing the back arrow, so we're going to delete it. We're going to be needing our logo. We'll come here, we'll duplicate our logo, we'll drag it to here. So we're just going to name here now sign up page. Sign up. Yeah. So our logo, we are just going to move it. We're just going to draw our alignment now. So we're just the logo, make sure it's at the center. Page. Sign up page now. We'll just change here to sign. Should align with this. Let's zoom in. Yeah. So we should just select them as welcome and this. Make sure they are aligned together. Yeah. Yeah. This should be okay. So the next. So we're just going to edit. We're just going to edit this. We're just going to edit this main field. We're going to edit it. We'll just delete some things from there. We'll delete this. Okay, I think we're going to delete it. So let's edit this text. Let's delete this one. change here to quit. We're going to create alignment is one of the important things you must take note in design. Alignment is very important. Yeah, so the next so forgetting password, will not be needing it, so I'll just delete it. So the next we'll just make this a little smaller, then so this text to fit in. This will be the place for me. If you want to sign up, space. Just want to duplicate this. Save for me. Then these both are aligned together. So these three are just going to do group them. This is name field. I'm going to duplicate. We'll use this for email. We're going to use it for email duplicate. We're going to use this for, I guess, let's select and make sure, I guess they have equal, let's select everything and make sure they have equal space, equal spacing. But let's increase the space a little. This should be okay. Don't move this down. Yeah, it's okay. So the name field, it should be email. Just change it to email. Change it. Just make here Shola at gmail.com. Just going to change it to password. I'm going to change it to password. Password is usually filled, so we are just going to we are done with our sign up page. So the last page, that's the main page, which is the dashboard page. So we are just going to duplicate. We are going to duplicate what we are just going to duplicate our sign up page. Control D. Yeah, Control D. So we are going to edit this text. We are going to say welcome. We are going to say welcome. Welcome precious. Welcome to this page. So since I just want to reduce I guess this should be okay. dashboard. Welcome to make sure it's aligned to the center. Then needing this. Then logo. This will not be needing it, so we'll just delete. We're needing it somewhere. We're just going to delete this. Sign up. Take it down. So we're just going to delete the text inside here. We'll delete it. This main field now, just blind it for now. We'll bring it. I just blind it for now. Bring it down. We'll be using it later. So the next thing I want to do, the next. So let me pick one. Get one from here. Open it. So let me edit this. Get one of this here. Bring it out. And just edit this one. So we just want to do this. Just increase the image. We're going to be adding image here. So we're going to import our image. Dashboard image. Let's change it like this. So now you want to clip them together. You group them, come here. You come here, you mark them together so it is been marked. I want the image to show like this. Yeah. So I'm just going to duplicate one of these. Duplicate it. Bring it to the top here. Yeah. I'm just going to change the fill. I want to change the fill to blue. So increase it. Write dashboard, so I'm just going to duplicate this one, bring it here. This one it takes to be at the center. Already aligned this. I guess this is what we need. The dashboard image is ready already, so we should come look at this first. Put them together so they have the same spacing. Spacing is kind of too small. announcement. So before I do that, let me just, your alignment is very, very important in design. Very, very important. So the first announcement, the first will be announcement. First write text to just duplicate from this dashboard. Just going to edit. See how that looks. Announcement. It's too big. Just still going to duplicate it. Just type it down. Let's use smaller as, let's see, 18. Regular. We're going to say stay up. Should look like this. 3 seconds. Text. When you go to this icon, make sure it aligns. So this when you put it together, this is announcement. So we already have the box we want to use for. Move to the next box. That's going to be for our courses. So we are just going to duplicate this text, Ctrl D, move it down here, move it down. Okay, first of all, let's bring out the icon for courses. We're going to do this icon. Change it to 5. So let's align with this study. Make sure this text this align together. Also, so I'm just going to use our alignment tool. Instead of going through this route, I'm just going to change here to my course. My courses, we are just going to change it to access. Your course. This is a student app. The name of the app is Student Connect, where students can actually connect with each other, and also this kind of gets confusing at times. So this and this are selected, they are aligned together. So group them, name them courses. This for course, this for announcement. So the last one is going to be for event. So we are just going to duplicate this text to bring it over here. Bring it here. We're going to bring our icon around it. Okay, this icon is actually for date icon. You can actually use it for event, because event, when you open this event, you're actually going to see the time, and the time of the date of the event whatsoever. But we are not going to be creating pages for each. We just want to keep this tutorial basics. Now we're keeping it basic for beginners. So let's remove our lines, our alignment. Let's save this first. Save it as what's the name of the app now again? Okay, Campus Connect. Campus. Save. So now we are actually done. Button is going to start the login button. The login button is going to link to the login page, which is this. which is this. Then sign up is going to link to the sign up page. Link to the sign up page. Then this login here. This login here. Still going to link to the login page here. I guess we are done with the linking for the home page. Then we'll move to the login page. Move to the login page. I'm not going to this forgetting password. We're not going to be adding anything there. So you're just going to come here. Login. When you click on login, it will take you to sign up. It's going to take you to sign up. So this will take you here. No, when you click on login, it should take you to your dashboard page. So I'm just going to take this to the dashboard. When you log in, it should take you to the dashboard. Yeah, here is supposed to be sign up, not login. So here is going to take you back to then next this arrow here. This arrow is going to take you back here. To our sign up page. When we sign up, when we create an account, when you click on create an account, it will take you to the login. Yeah, it will take you to the login. Then you add your details. So this button here is going to link to the login. You're going to link to the so this sign up. I think create an account should if it lead you here. Sign up. So okay, let's change this to here. Let's change this to it to here. When you create an account, it should also automatically create an account and login. I think so. So this because yeah. So move lastly to our. So I guess this is the only one having button. We're going to move back to log out. That's your home page. Move to your home page. Like this. Yeah. So our mobile app. Okay, before you test, you're just going to check if your connection is effective. When you click the home page, you are going to see every arrow that is linked to the home page. Here is linked to the home page. Here is linked to the home page. When you click the login page, here is linked. This is linked. When you click here, you know this is linked. This is linked to the sign up. And also okay. Now this has not been linked. This has not been linked. So we're just going to come and put it again. So this is how to check before you test. You just check when you see the arrow. So now when we click on our sign up, we're going to see now two pages are linking there. So at our dashboard, when you click on login and when you create an account, it's going to take you to the dashboard. So that's how you know your pages have been linked together. Then you run sign up, create an account to take you to your dashboard, log out, it take you back to your home page. When you log in, you fill your details, click on sign up, take you back. When you log in, you can go back, click on login, you can go back to sign up. You don't have an account yet. We are done. This is our site. It's ready. So thank you for watching. Do it to subscribe and do it to follow for more. I remain Shola. Thank you.